Hey, thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. I have a couple special things for this video. One, I have a giveaway at the end, so you should check it out. I'll explain it more. Two, this is my first live action moto vlog video. I got that Sena 10C EVO Bluetooth. It's that intercom system with the camera. That's right, this footage is from the Sena 10C mounted on the side of my new shoey. So I'm testing out a couple pieces of gear on this video. I'm riding with Edward and his V-Strom, and Kevin jumps in with his Can-Am Ryker 900. Let's test it out. You know, there's little things I'm learning, but you'll see that in the video. ThrillMouseMoto.
Now it's recording. I think I gotta bring my balaclava down to make sure the mic is picking me up. Because I put the sticky mic on it instead of that long one, you know? Because I want to try it out first. And I put it like right here. So I want to get a good test on it. So I'm not going to talk through the fabric. I guess you have to have it where it's, you know, because this is out there and you can still see my helmet, you know? So I'm thinking that's just going to happen. But I think this is good because I'm going to be, I think I'm pretty much like this if I'm going fast. And then that looks good and it's recording. So it's just based off of the storage. It only does 128. That's good because I think that's how all the cameras are, 128. Oh no, the battery won't last as long as the card. Yeah, that's how even my action cameras are. It's all based off the battery. Like it's not the card at all. I'll have like 4 trips on one card. Like I'll just keep switching it or whatever, and then you know you gotta go through like 5 batteries to do that. And then let's link our things up. Oh, you hold the middle button down until it says intercom pairing. So do that. On your other side, what do you do? Like, not the implant you got when you got your COVID shot. Now it's recording. See, that would have got me, dude. Okay. Yeah, well, I mean, it'll tap into it and I'll be able to watch it on my phone. Yeah, dog. Moto vlogging, moving on up. So this is going to record you and I if it's successful and it works the way the $330 price tag suggests. But man, I hear you good. I hear you good, and I guess that means it's recording good too.
Yeah.
And
it's way better than your other Sena.
Oh yeah, nice. Well, now it's just if anything's holding us back, I know it's you. So
there you go.
Because you're gonna say, "Hey, I'm getting a lot of static on your thing." I was like, "Well, did yours cost $330?" Because
No, it did not.
Yeah, then you're the suspect. Okay. Man, I could even hear that V-Strom, and that V-Strom is not even loud. And it's supposed to be like noise canceling and all that too. So, but mine, I don't think you'll be able to hear my exhaust so loud. I don't know. We'll find out. It's the test. Motovlog test take 1. So there's only been there's been something that Sena put out, and it's like this little tube camera, but it's not I don't think it's a comm system. So as far as a comm system with a camera on it, is just the 10C Pro, and then now this one, the 10C EVO. There's no image stabilization involved in it. I know that, but it's like, if it was on the bike, that'd be a problem, but, you know, it's on my helmet, so. V-Strom! I can say it right now.
Yeah.
Cameras?
Yeah, like it's very cool.
Oh, yeah. But you have to, like, if you're trying to get, like, the view where it's all, like, point of view, like, the viewer is behind the wheel type of thing, it doesn't really work that way because you have to point it down so much. Then you're getting, like, your front wheels and all that, and it's kind of weird. Kevin did it on, he has whatever that newest GoPro is, the 9, I think. He did that to the top of his helmet because he has a, what is it, that air, you gotta get in this lane, that air flight helmet where like the whole front of it is a shield. So you can't mount anything like on the front, like a chin mount like mine.
I had to put my chin, but like you said, I really got to put stuff on it. It fell off.
Oh, yeah.
On my camera and everything.
Yeah, that would trip me out. Those things cost too much.
Yeah.
Because we are not like professional videographers, you know what I mean? So it's like,
All the technology you need.
yeah, you're shaking, you don't have it straight. Yeah, you need all the technology you need. So. But that's
White stuff or something?
no, we're gonna go all the way to New Hope, which might be the one after this, and then we're gonna just go down there to North Lakeline, and then it's normally not this crazy congested, man. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's this one. So if you want to get over. Okay, buddy, we get it. I know. I was like, we get it. You're turning. Do it already. Just do it. Do it. No. Man, I was really looking at those zeros, man. I was on their website just looking and looking hard, and then
That's the future, man.
it's crazy how they separate them. You know, they call them different things. You know, and it's like they're all the same, kind of. You know, it's like, you know, the different wheels they put on them, or and the other ones, like the enduro style ones, it's not like they made them any higher, so it's like real confusing. Like, I think I would just be base model, man. Base model Barry, man. Base model Ryker, base model dirt e-bike, base model everything. It's like, I'll probably do the same thing with a Zero. And that kind of separates the models more than what they say the style are and the other features. Is like, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just because that one's got more battery life is the difference in them, you know. Oh, the Cybertruck or whatever?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ryan was talking about that. He's like, man, you can put money down on it now, and if you think about it, I was like, bro, I don't like that stuff, man. So it looks like a DeLorean truck.
Yeah, exactly. Truck I played a video game on when I was a kid. I mean, it really speaks to the 40-year-old me. You know, we're the ones that have the money to be able to afford it, right?
You gotta get your flux capacitor.
Yeah.
Put that on there. That's a must, dude. Edward, we gotta go back. But no, I was just
I
saying.
was like, we gotta go backwards? So you talking
Marty,
about the DeLorean?
Marty, we gotta go back.
You gotta hit, what, 65 miles an hour and go back in time?
No, it's like 85 or 87.
85?
Yeah.
Okay. It's been a while.
Yeah, because the Ryker can do it. That's how I know.
Okay. Right. Yeah, I want one of those surfboards, or those skateboards, I should say.
Oh, yeah,
The
yeah.
hoverboards.
Yeah, but you can't say hoverboard anymore because that means those Chinese things with the two wheels on each side or whatever.
That's
The
true.
kids, that Mike Tyson fell on that one time. I actually tried. Have you got on one of those before?
Never.
Dude, my niece got one a couple weekends ago for her birthday, and well, actually Brian got on it, dude.
Really?
All 57, 56, whatever it is, years of him got on that thing, and he was trying. He tried, and then he got wobbly, and it looked real scary, and there was like sharp corners on the furniture because we were doing it inside. And then I got on it. Man, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I can do a nose manual on a skateboard, 100 yards. You know what I mean? But that thing is different. It's like how you put your weight on your feet, like the front and the back. So you're like doing this weird, you know what I mean? And it takes a while. But man, I was like, and going around through the kitchen and stuff, man. Dude, funny you say that, because I was talking to this guy on the channel in the comments, and he was talking about, you know, he rollerblades for 4 miles and lost like all this weight and all this crazy stuff, and he's an older cat, like a lot older. I think he said he was 60 or something. I don't remember, but I was like, you know what? I'm actually thinking about doing that. I mean, because I like everything on wheels. Obviously, I got all that stuff, but it's like, it's a drag having to take it down like the stairs, you know, because I take my dirt bike, I carry it up and down the stairs, and then when I don't want to do that, I take the electric skateboard. But then it's like, you know, maybe I don't want to go 23 miles an hour on like this Deathmobile skateboard, longboard that day, and I just want to kind of not be walking. Like I still don't want to be walking, you know, and I was thinking about rollerblades. And he pretty much encouraged me, man. He's like, he had like a heart attack or something. I don't know what this guy's doing. But usually we park like right here, but it's all busy as shit. We can't take up that spot. Damn it. Let's go back behind where we just were.
We can order some donuts. I think that's
Oh, yeah. Well, we are getting donuts, but we're not.
It says donut parking only.
Yeah, but I don't want to take that. That's probably for people that are going to run in and out. And we're going to be posted up for a while, so.
Yeah.
Because I do not see Kevin the Menace. Oh, wait, we're like 15 minutes early. So he gets a pass. Damn, we're going to be way out of the way.
Later in the afternoon is better for me, like 7. What? It's not afternoon.
That's nighttime, dude.
It's nighttime.
That's his afternoon, dude.
Yeah, I guess.
Well, there was something too, though. There was like this big dip that would jack you up, but someone spray painted it blue to remind you because it's coming around the corner. But they filled it up, so you don't have to worry about it. As long as there's not one of those WRXs coming around the corner all crazy and taking up the other lane, then you're good to go.
That corner. I can't jump you off.
You could do like that big boy that had mama on the back that got up in the dirt on that turn and Twisted Sisters. Remember that? I haven't even gone through the footage yet, but I know I got it. I just don't think it's gonna be like an up close view of it. So you got a good view of it if you had a camera.
Yeah.
But it's like, come on, dude. Now these are some out of control turns here. This is where the cop normally is right here. Yeah. Man, they need to cut these trees down so you can see the water, dude. Cause screw these trees. We don't need to breathe. Oh, there it goes, right there. Not, well, yeah, probably. Through one of these private properties. See, this guy right here, he's trying to die, dude. Trying to die. You're crazy, man. These kids on like these WRXs and things like that come through here. And you know, it's whatever. I guess that's part of the thrill. That's what tickles his pickle, dude. You know, that borderline could die. This is where it is right here. This little bump right there. You see that little patch?
Yeah, the gray.
Yeah, that used to be like this scary dip that you'd have to be like, oh crap, and you'd forget. But that was cool. They were looking out, had it painted up to remind you. There it goes.
Hey, can you hear me?
Look at this. Watch out. There's a hole right there.
Wow, yeah.
I don't have service on this thing.
No?
Like, you mean taking it in?
Yeah,
You're crazy. I can't afford that. You wild, dude. We did my own oil change. We do everything, dude. Okay, yeah. Whatever that is, that's nothing. I'll just buy a new Ryker. Damn, how much they charge?
Yeah.
I found out how much they charge someone with a belt. It was $1,300, and they tell you gotta do it after 9,000. I'm about to hit 9,000 probably today, dude. And it's all like, you're crazy. Why would I need to do that? Someone took theirs off the other day, and they go, here's my belt, and they charged me 13, and the belt looked like it came out of the box, dude.
Really?
I was all,
Hard to do?
well, I mean, I guess it's hard as changing a belt. I mean,
Yeah.
it's just,
You are gonna change.
yeah. But I don't know about no 9,000 or whatever. Like, that's crazy. I haven't had it for a year. You're gonna have to change the belt every 10 months?
Well, they just wear out.
Okay, and it costs $1,300 to change it. So to own it for 2 years, it costs you the price of a used dual sport. Yeah, but you're talking about $2,600 or whatever. That's crazy. And 20 months, $2,600 in 20 months. Okay.
Go ahead.
Beachside Billy's. Nice. See, this feels good when you're in the shade like this. Hell yeah.
I call that a pretty successful test. There's obviously some stuff that I learned, and then I'll talk about and give my final thoughts on that test right after I talk about the giveaway. I have an extra smart turn system I'm giving away, and it's the self-canceling turn signal module. It's like a device that automatically cancels turn signals on your motorcycle, like after like any maneuver. So if you have a problem with remembering to, if you change lanes or make turns or whatever, but using your thumb to set that off, this is gonna help you out. I didn't need it on my Ryker, so I figured I'd give it away. It's something like a $53 value. I think I had like a coupon and stuff, so I got a good deal on it, and I don't mind sharing it to the subscribers. So just like all giveaways, you have to be a subscriber. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and you're pretty much good to go, except for one other thing. If you can comment on this video with the hashtag I remember my first Baja Blast, you are definitely good to go. And then I will, on this video, announce when I'm going to do the giveaway. So it'll only be like a week from now, so it'll be pretty chill, just like most things. But you have to enter to win those 2 easy steps. I mean, you're probably already a subscriber, right? So it ain't no thing. But as far as this test goes, I'm gonna talk more about it in other videos, but really just adjusting the volume. I need to adjust the volume so I can hear Edward. And that's the whole point. I want you guys to hear like the full conversations and, you know, our jokes and stuff. So especially with Brian, because he has a Sena, and I feel like we're throwing away gold because we're not recording any of the stuff we're saying. So and once I figure how to adjust the volume just right so where it's not blasted in my ear and his input for the recording is coming in good, I'm all set. But really, I had everything leveled out good. I mean, I like the shoey. That'll be a whole nother video we talk about. But so far, I'm impressed, and really, it'll be about getting you guys a second test and let you know how, you know, what I can really get out of it. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.